I haven't been traveling for a few weeks. I've been stationary in Sioux Falls, and therefore I haven't also been doing a lot of videos. So I decided to put together my other family here, my four-leggers, and show you what they've been up to during my travels. I don't have everything, but I got a lot. Good sit. Okay, come on. Come on, Espresso. Traveling with animals is interesting. I have no idea what he ate, and I'm not happy. Oh, I gotta check. It might. Oh no. Could it be my coaster? It could be. But then on top of it, look. Sapphire, who you don't see too often, Sapphire has found a high place for herself. Sapphire? Now she got up there somehow, and now she's a little freaked about how to get down. Really? You got into the tiny space, and now you're not sure how to get down. Really? I will help you, but still. Oh my God. I love my animals, and sometimes I don't love my animals. I filmed this back in 2019, and Shomi was fascinated by the squirrels. She didn't run really after them, but she loved them. And all of a sudden we were on a walk, and she just started this slow, supposed sneaky stalking. On this trip in 2021, she's pretty much ignored the squirrels. I think she's older and over it. And she realizes she's never going to catch a squirrel, so why bother? Does anyone need excavation on their property? I have a front hoe dog that is more than willing to do whatever digging you need done. This was filmed a few months ago back in California, shortly after I picked up Espresso. Shomi was in the mood for play fighting, and she was the boss of him totally. But since we've gotten on the road, and she's older and more tired, hasn't been that long, but it's been long enough, she's not into playing anymore with him. So he's kind of got that idea and basically leaves her alone. Guess who's going to the doctor? It's not me. Well, I am because I have to drive. But Espresso, good boy, and Shomi, good girl, are having a doctor's appointment. And we'll see. Hopefully everything comes out okay. And I know Shomi needs a bunch of shots. Espresso's up to date on his shots, but we'll check on his... Oh, I want to get their nails cut because Shomi I can do, kind of. I cannot cut his nails. No matter what I do, and I even tried to give him a whole bunch of CBD to make him go to sleep, not even close. He's fine if I hold his hands or his paws, but the second something comes out that's not expected, he gets all freaky deaky and runs away. I just walked in and Espresso got a roll of toilet paper. I know it was him. And tore it up. I know Sapphire wants more food. I know you guys want food. Look, really? I didn't tell him to go back to it. And look what he does. He tears it into pieces. It's just weird. He likes tearing into pieces. He doesn't eat them, as you can see. He tears them and spits them out. Tears them and spits them out. I know, Sapphire, I'm going to give you some food, but really, check it out. There goes my roll. Does he know how expensive RV toilet paper is? That's going to come out of his treat fund, I think. It's been raining all night. Had to take the dogs out this morning for a walk. It's still drizzling. Rain picks up, drops off. So I had to let Espresso in first. I took him out, like I usually do, because he's younger and hasn't the control that good old girl Shomi has. So I let him in. I got the rug that sops up and supposed to clean your feet. Well, I'm sure it did clean it some, but this is Espresso. Hi. And of course he went up on where I do allow him. That is like his bed at night. Oh lordy. So I'll be cleaning that in a little bit. Just another joy of dog ownership. I think he's done tearing it up now. After our walk, I'll sweep. It's even a little bit worse. I haven't picked up the things he just did, but he got something else. I knew he was going to get it. He got the duct tape, and now he's trying to stop it. And so that's what he got. Plus, he is working on his rope, and he's talking to you. Oh my God, I'm going to take him out for the bathroom. And I'll try not to let him go because I'm frustrated with him. Meanwhile, Shomi is just lying down on the floor, not messing with anything. What a good puppy, Shomi. Okay, no, don't even jump on me. Alright. Check it out. There are two animal ears. There's a small toy. There's a yak cheese. An Espresso decides he needs to chew up my doggy bags that are super expensive because I got the biodegradable ones because I feel guilty throwing so much plastic in the world. He doesn't swallow them, so that's good, but he does, as we know, he is a shredder and a tearer-upper and a terror in many ways. Espresso? Hey! Say you're sorry. Look, I have shoes here too because it's a mess. Luckily he didn't chew the shoes. No! He's going back to where the bags live. I've got to have them off the ground now. Look. This is a long video now because... What? What? Oh, Espresso. Oh, whoa, that's a whole brand new one. Leave that. Good boy. All right, we're done. I picked it up to save it. It is not a whole brand new one. Check it out. That's pretty much destroyed, wouldn't you say? I'm home. I went to the bathroom. I threw this mask right in the bedroom door, which is mostly closed. And in the time I was in the bathroom, till I came out, somebody destroyed my beautiful sunflower mask, and COVID is not gone yet. Check it out. 2 chewy boxes, a little one and a big one, filled with the same kind of snacky stuff. This is all for the dogs. So when I figure expenses, I figure dogs, cat, and myself. I'm going to cut back on all the treats. I mean, they get like 1 a night, but sometimes 2 a day. But they're pretty darn expensive, so those are things where I can make sure they get their nutrition in their food, but they don't have to have expensive treats all the time. 10 minutes and counting. I knew that this was not going to last, and I knew he was going to love it. So it's a welcome home gift, and he's had it maybe 10 minutes now at the most. And I know it's going to be more work for me than it is for him, because I'm going to have to pick up all the little pieces. And don't worry, he doesn't swallow them. As you can see, he spits them out. He loves to tear and disperse. That's what he's a tearer and a disperser. This is the new bed I got for Shomi. Just brought it in because Espresso, of course, ate and destroyed her bed, and she kind of took over his bed. I don't care who sleeps where. Sleep together, sleep apart, sleep on the floor, but do not destroy the bed. Espresso? Espresso. Leave the bed alone. No biting, no chewing. No pulling it apart. This is a little squirrel that has a special feeder right outside my window. You can see there's corn on the ground. So, and there's his little friend who was at the feeder. And now I don't know if he's just checking me out, see if I'm dangerous, or if he's done at the feeder. Who knows? You know I love squirrels, and you know that squirrel is kind of my excite word for when I see something and it interrupts everything else. Okay, Shomi, come on. Shomi. Shomi. This was one of my new socks that I just got at Costco the other day. Espresso has stayed away from clothing and furniture until now. But better he should eat my socks than the furniture, but really he shouldn't be eating anything other than the paper that he tears up. Oh. The question is, how did he get a roll of paper towels? That's the first question. The second question is, how come he chose that over the yak cheese and also, which is weird, the apple that I gave him to play with and to eat? No, a roll of, here you go, paper towels. Lordy, I should just go to Costco and just buy big things, and every day you get a roll of toilet paper or paper towels. We would all like to thank you for watching this video, and we all hope that you liked it. If you enjoyed seeing just a video of my pets, of the other part of the family, let me know. I will be filming them as they continue to do crazy stuff. Thank you again. Please subscribe, and there will be more videos to follow. What they're going to be, there'll be a lot of Sioux Falls